What if your next laptop folded like a phone, looked like a premium leather notebook, and packed an 18-inch screen into a bag-friendly design? Meet the world's first HarmonyOS-powered folding screen computer, the Huawei MateBook Fold. From a luxury unboxing experience to a stunning desktop-like display, this is no ordinary laptop. It's slim, stylish, and packed with surprises. Custom keyboard skins, a smooth touchpad, and a fold that feels like pure innovation. Stick around as we dive into its design, test the folding display, explore HarmonyOS on a laptop, and compare it to traditional notebooks. Trust me, you'll want to see how far Huawei has pushed the future of mobile computing. Let's unfold the future together. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Huawei has unveiled the world's first foldable screen computer powered by HarmonyOS. Let's dive into a quick panoramic unboxing. The large, eco-friendly paper box features a bold red interior, echoing the design of the previously unboxed Extraordinary Masters set. Inside, you'll find the device itself, sleekly presented with a minimalist handle tucked alongside. Beneath the device lies a premium leather case, subtly embossed with the Huawei logo and featuring a refined texture. On the left, a compact leather pouch, downsized for convenience, houses the charger and cables, though it can hold other essentials too. It also bears a small Huawei logo with fine stitching throughout for a touch of craftsmanship. Inside, you'll find a 140-watt SuperCharge USB-C charger, and on the right, a lightweight physical keyboard that feels effortlessly portable in hand. From the side, the device impresses with its ultra-slim profile. Inside the smaller box, you'll find a braided data cable and an important reminder card, highlighting the need to protect the flexible screen from foreign objects, just like with other foldables. Huawei also includes exclusive care services, a cleaning cloth, and a wealth of thoughtful accessories, a protective case, charging cable, and more. Finally, the star accessory, the keyboard. Once you peel off the outer protector, you'll notice its sleek design and the subtle angle of the standard 6-row layout, emphasizing both form and function. On the left, there's a USB-C data cable for wired connectivity, along with a quick connect switch for seamless setup. Beneath, you'll find Huawei's signature glass touch trackpad, while silicone pads on either side of the keyboard help protect the screen from contact. The keyboard's back features a refined leather finish, an uncommon and premium touch. And now, the centerpiece, the world's first HarmonyOS-powered folding screen computer. Volume keys are clearly marked above, completing this elegant and innovative design. Just below the power button, a clear warning reminds users not to press the hinge, protecting the flexible screen from damage. In its default unfolded state, you'll notice a reserved camera slot in the upper bezel and a uniquely shaped border that allows for adjustable viewing angles, even in bright lighting. Flip to the back and you're greeted by a rare sight, the elegant blue vegan leather rear panel. Two metallic strips near the lower center cleverly transform into a sturdy kickstand when the device is unfolded, blending style with smart functionality. From the side, the device impresses with its ultra-slim profile. On the right, a large cutout likely serves for heat dissipation or speaker output, details that become clear once powered on. Nearby, you'll find volume controls and a prominent central opening for the hinge, along with a USB-C port. At the bottom, both sides feature large vents, bringing the total to nearly 6 openings along the top and bottom edges. The data ports are strategically placed at the top and near the center right hinge, ensuring efficient layout and connectivity. The device also includes dual microphones and small plastic bumps along the bezel, subtle yet purposeful, keeping the screen elevated to avoid direct contact with the table. The fold-out metal kickstand allows for stable horizontal placement with an adjustable angle of up to 45 degrees. It's sturdy from every angle and features an engraved logo showcasing Huawei's attention to detail. In summary, it's impressively thin and thoughtfully engineered. The device boasts an exceptional build featuring a rare full-back plain leather finish, uncommon in both laptops and smartphones. At just 7mm thick, it's impressively slim yet remarkably sturdy. The hinge is reinforced for repeated folding, with a soft spring-assisted mechanism that adds a subtle bounce, allowing smooth one-handed opening and closing. Despite its sleek form, it remains stable when propped up with the built-in stand, blending elegance with durability. Most foldables are tough to open one-handed, but this device's hinge is exceptionally well engineered. Smooth, sturdy, and easy to operate. Once fully unfolded, the 18-inch display is truly stunning. When powered on, narrow bezels and bright interface make an immediate impact. During setup, the floating keyboard can be adjusted freely, offering a seamless experience whether you're used to Windows or Huawei's mobile login. There's no learning curve. HarmonyOS transitions seamlessly onto this 18-inch display, offering a desktop-like experience. Its 3:2 or 4:3 aspect ratio is ideal for productivity, unlike ultra-wide screens, making it perfect for office use. Huawei adds a beautiful planetary theme across the lock and home screens, enhancing the visual appeal. Next, the physical keyboard pairs effortlessly. The signature Huawei touchpad stands out, smooth, precise, and responsive across the entire surface, delivering a premium typing experience. If you prefer not to carry a physical keyboard, the folding notebook's on-screen keyboard is ready to use. Simply fold and tap both sides to reveal the virtual keyboard, seamlessly integrated and natural to use. It features a full 6-row layout with a responsive touchpad below, complete with a subtle Huawei logo. The trackpad supports multi-finger gestures, making navigation smooth. While it can't fully replace a physical keyboard, it's perfectly functional for quick, on-the-go typing needs. The keyboard offers customizable themes, dark, light, and vibrant colors, with tactile vibration feedback for an intuitive typing experience. Its user-friendly design makes getting started effortless. When folded, the device resembles a premium leather notebook, reminiscent of the Huawei Pura X, but designed to be carried sideways. Paired with a matching textured leather document bag, both the laptop and keyboard fit comfortably inside, combining style and practicality in one elegant package. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.